Taipei Chinese Lantern Festival. In the center, you are going to make a lantern with me. Yay! Let's get started. Now we are ready for our lantern. So for our lantern, you should have two pieces of colored paper, and a red one and a yellow one. The yellow one is the inner part of the lantern, and the outer part, the red one is the outer part of the lantern. Alright, on the inner part, you have the character Fu, which means blessing. And if you like, you can color it in. You can like color it with like different colors. You can like draw something in the inner part. It will show on your lantern. Alright, so for this one, I'm not going to draw anything. If you want to, you can draw it. Okay, so first we are going to start with our outer part. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to fold this paper. So we are going to fold the side, the shorter side here. So make sure we line. Oh, by the way, you can fold this way or this way. Either way will be fine. Oh, I'm going to fold this way. So I'm going to align the corner with corner as close as I can. And this one too. And I will press it hard to make this all the way through. Okay, so I have one I finished here. It's right here. So I fold this, and then I'm going to use my scissors right here to cut it from the bottom up to the start. Do you see all the starts here? So just stop right here. As you can see, I cut everything on here. Alright, the last thing we're going to do is when we fold this up, we're going to cut this part off. Do you see the thicker line here? Right here. So we're going to cut this part off. So up, up. Now the outer part is ready. We are ready to make the inner part. Then we can connect both together. So for the inner part, we want to make these little things on the bottom. So what we are going to do is we are going to just cut it randomly. So you can, if you want that to be thicker, you can just like cut that to here. Just remember, only cut to the thicker line. Don't go all the way through. Otherwise, we cannot glue the thing on top. Because like we are going to glue this part. Do you see the gray part to this gray part? Okay. So let's cut this first. Okay. Right. So then, okay. Now this is ready. Okay. I will highly recommend you to roll it a little bit before you start to glue it, because sometimes it's just hard for us to put that all together at the end. So let's roll it a little bit. Roll, 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 roll. Don't press it too hard. We just want to have a gentleness roll. Yeah. Right, it will be like that. Let's put this down. Now we are ready to connect these two parts. Okay, so I have the inner part here, and I have the outer part here. Okay, so you want to make sure you fold this like this, and fold this side outside, because we are going to put the gray part to the gray part, and this gray part to this gray part to connect them. All right. So remember, we need to put a lot of glue, otherwise it will be get loose really easily. So first I'm going to put a lot of glue on one side, and then I'm going to align this one to the corner of this inner part. Do you see it? Okay, line as close as you can, and make sure you press it hard to the end. And we press it really hard. Okay, and let's press it for a few seconds so it can be really tight. All right, so So now let's put glue on the other side. You can put either here or you can put on the gray part here. So I'm going to put on the gray part here. Let's align this part with this corner, and we try to align each part, align the outer part, the red paper with the thicker black line to it, and we'll press this hard. Press, 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 press. All right, like that. Just do that for a few seconds so it can be nice and tight. All right, now is our last part. Yay. We're going to put a lot of glues on the side, which we don't have any right outer part, like on this side. So I'm going to put glue here. A lot of glue, as you can see. All right, and then it's a magic. We're going to circle this up. Okay. All right. Okay. So we want to hold this corner. This is a little bit tricky. So you want to do this slow. So you want to hold this corner, this side corner, as close as the other side. So you want to connect the right paper. Okay, like here, and we'll go down here. You want to connect these two parts too. Okay, so you want to press this really hard. Press this part really hard too. And you can put your hands inside, like me. I put my hands inside so I can press the middle with my finger, and my hand is inside to help me to press it too. See, if we don't hold that for a long time, it will like slowly get out, get loose. So I'm just going to hold this for a bit. And we are holding this, you can like adjust your circle to be more circle-ish. All right. If that is getting off, you can put more glue on top. Yay! Our lantern is ready. Yay! Okay, good job, friends. You just made a lantern. Congratulations, you just made your lantern with me. Yay! Okay, now your job is to turn this to your teacher. And they will put the string on top and we can hang it up in the classroom. Thank you for working with me. See you later. Bye.